How to get rich in your 20s. Finance explained. Becoming wealthy in your 20s is a popular goal for many young people. However, the path to becoming rich is not always straightforward or easy. There are many challenges and obstacles that can stand in the way of achieving this goal. Nonetheless, with a combination of hard work, dedication, and smart decision-making, it is possible to become wealthy in your 20s. Welcome to Finance Explained. Today we will see how to get rich in your 20s. Before watching the video, hit the subscribe button to get updated with our content. Without further delay, let's move on to the video. Here are some tips for how to get rich in your 20s. Number 1. Develop a strong work ethic. Developing a strong work ethic is essential if you want to achieve success in your career or in any other endeavor in life. It requires discipline, focus, and a willingness to work hard and persevere throughout challenges and setbacks. Whether you're working a full-time job, starting your own business, or pursuing some other goal, developing a strong work ethic is essential to achieving your objectives. To develop a strong work ethic, you need to be able to put in the time and effort required to succeed. This means being willing to work long hours, take on challenging tasks, and to do whatever it takes to achieve your goals. It also means being willing to make sacrifices, such as giving up your free time or taking on extra responsibilities in order to achieve your objectives. Ultimately, developing a strong work ethic is about being willing to do whatever it takes to achieve your goals. It means being willing to push yourself beyond your comfort zone, to take risks, and to learn from your mistakes. By developing a strong work ethic, you can build a foundation for success that will serve you well throughout your life. Number 2. Start investing early. Another key to getting rich in your 20s is to start investing early. This means putting your money to work for you by investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. By starting to invest early, you can take advantage of the power of compounding interest, which can help your money grow exponentially over time. Number 3. Avoid debt. One of the biggest obstacles to getting rich is debt. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or other types of debt, owing money can be a major drag on your finances. To get rich in your 20s, it's important to avoid taking on too much debt and to pay off any existing debts as quickly as possible. For example, taking out a high-interest credit card or personal loan to cover living expenses can lead to a cycle of debt that can be difficult to pay off, especially if you're just starting out in your career. Additionally, taking on too much debt can limit your ability to save and invest for the future. If you're spending a large portion of your income on debt payments, you may not have much left over to save for a down payment on a house, invest in a retirement account, or pursue other long-term financial goals. To avoid debt in your early 20s, it's important to prioritize your spending and focus on living below your means. This means identifying areas where you can cut back on expenses such as dining out, entertainment, and luxury purchases, and focus on the essentials such as housing, food, and transportation. Number 4. Live below your means. This means spending less money than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. By spending less money than you earn, you can create a surplus of cash that can be used for saving, investing, and building wealth over time. Additionally, avoiding unnecessary expenses can help you avoid debt, which can be a major roadblock to achieving financial independence. To live below your means, it's important to prioritize your spending and focus on the essentials. This means taking a close look at your budget and identifying areas where you can cut back. For example, you may consider reducing your monthly expenses by downsizing your living space, cutting back on dining out, or using public transportation instead of owning a car. Another way to live below your means is to avoid unnecessary debt. Also, try saving a portion of your income each month and investing it wisely. You can grow your wealth over time. Number 5. Start a side hustle. Starting a side hustle is another great way to get rich in your 20s. Whether it's starting a small business, freelancing, or selling products online, a side hustle can provide you with extra income that can be used to invest, save, or pay off debt. Plus, starting a side hustle can also help you develop valuable skills and experience that can be used to further your career. Number 6. Learn new skills. Whether it's learning a new language, developing programming skills, or taking courses in finance and investing, developing new skills can help you advance your career, start a business, or invest more effectively. A new skill benefits you in so many ways, so learn new skills. Number 7. Take calculated risks. Taking calculated risk is another important part. It involves taking risks that have the potential to bring significant returns, but that are also carefully thought out and well planned. By taking calculated risks, you can seize opportunities that might not be available otherwise and accelerate your path to financial success. One way to take calculated risk is by starting a business. Entrepreneurship can be a highly rewarding way to build wealth, as successful businesses can generate significant profits and long-term financial security. However, starting a business also involves risk, so there's no guarantee of success. To mitigate risk, it's important to conduct thorough market research, develop a solid business plan, and seek mentorship from experienced entrepreneurs. Another way to take calculated risks is by investing in new ventures. This could involve investing in a startup or a new real estate development. Finally, taking calculated risks can also involve pursuing a new career path or job opportunity. This may involve switching industries or starting a new role with greater responsibilities. Number 8, be patient. Finally, it's important to be patient when it comes to getting rich in your 20s. It's important to remember that building wealth takes time and effort, and success doesn't happen overnight. Instead, it requires making smart decisions, investing wisely, and building your skills and experience over time. When it comes to investing, it's important to be patient and avoid taking unnecessary risks. Investing in stocks or real estate can be lucrative, but it's also important to do your research and make informed decisions. Avoid the temptation to chase short-term gains, as this can lead to costly mistakes. Building your skills and experience over time is also essential. Whether you're starting a business, investing in stocks or real estate, or pursuing a career in a particular field, it's important to continually develop your skills and knowledge. This may require taking courses, attending workshops or seminars, or seeking mentorship from experienced professionals in your field. Number 9, network and build relationships. Networking and building relationships are critical components of success in any field, including achieving financial independence in your 20s. Having a strong network of contacts can provide you with numerous benefits, such as access to information, mentorship, job opportunities, business partnerships, and more. Networking can take many forms, including attending industry events, joining professional organizations, participating in online forums and discussion groups, and even reaching out to people directly through social media or email. By building a network of people who share your interests, goals, and values, you can create valuable relationships that can help you achieve your financial objectives. Number 10, continuously educate yourself. The financial landscape is constantly changing, and it is essential to continuously educate yourself on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Consider reading financial books, attending seminars or workshops, or taking online courses to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. Continuously educating yourself can help you make better decisions about your finances and investments, and can also give you a competitive edge in your career or business endeavors. By staying up to date on the latest trends and best practices, you can position yourself for long-term success and financial independence. In conclusion, with the appropriate attitude and approach, becoming financially independent and wealthy in your 20s is achievable. You can pave the way to financial success, and the secret is to maintain discipline, motivation, and focus on whether you want to establish a business, invest in stocks or real estate, or pursue other alternatives. Remember that while effort and commitment are required to become wealthy in your 20s, there may be substantial benefits. So go right ahead and start making progress toward realizing your financial objectives right now. And that's all for today. We hope you liked the video, so give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more exciting content.